From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning, State College. I'm student meteorologist Filippo Formica. Taking a look at your Monday morning forecast. Currently over Beaver Stadium, mostly cloudy conditions, but some peaks of sunshine working their way in after a snow squall moved through earlier this morning, right around the 6:30 time frame. And as it did, those visibilities dropped, but they've rebounded a bit back to 10 miles. 32 degrees right now in State College, but feels a lot colder. 26 because of those westerly winds at 7 miles an hour. Looking across the rest of the Commonwealth on our live cams, Smethport and Du Bois at a trace of snowfall right now because of these snow squalls. But as we look off to the south and east, more of those sunny conditions, keeping things a little bit warmer there as well, but keeping those snow squalls out of the area. Looking at our current conditions right now, mostly cloudy across the northern tier of the state. As we move off to the south and east, things get a little bit sunnier. Allentown actually reporting sunny conditions at the moment. Even off to the south and west, Pittsburgh and Johnstown, you guys are both at mostly cloudy conditions instead of straight up overcast. So right now we do have those cooler conditions off to the north and western portions of the state. Things off to the south and east are a little bit warmer. Philadelphia 44 degrees compared to 27 and 26 in the upper elevations of the north and west portions of the state. You can also see here these streamlines coming off of Lake Erie. This is where our snow squalls have been coming from over the past few hours here. So they really started to work in overnight, and things will continue to look like this for the next few days as we're going to see this almost permanent pattern starting to set up here over the next 3 days or so, just keeping these snow squalls coming in the northwestern portion of the state. And as we look out to the west, you can see those very cool conditions staying in place for much of the northern and central portions of the U.S. here. And as this whole area of cooler air continues to move off to the east, we're going to continue to see those chances of some snowfall in the Commonwealth. There is some relief on the way out to the west. We do have some warmer conditions starting to build in, although it is still very well into the overnight there, so things may look a bit deceiving out there, but 52 in L.A. Right now, we are seeing those snow squalls covering most of the northern tier of the Commonwealth, although things are starting to move into the southeast as well. Harrisburg just got done dealing with a rain and snow shower there as that started to move to the south and east. And as we look to the west here, even Chicago, Indiana, Michigan dealing with those snow squalls as well. And this will be continuing over the next few days here in the Commonwealth. Right now, looking at those snow squalls in the west, but as the day moves on, we'll be continuing to see those start to work in even to the south and east. As those clouds start to roll in as well, things will be getting very overcast in the state over the next few days here. So this is 5 p.m. today, seeing some snow in the western third of the Commonwealth, but we do have that cloudiness starting to move into the eastern two-thirds of the Commonwealth as well. Northern tier of the state continuing to deal with those snow squalls overnight tonight, 10 p.m. And as we move into the day on Tuesday, still dealing with those snow showers here in the western third of the Commonwealth. Although, as you get into the early morning hours tomorrow, the southeastern portion of the state should be seeing some more sunshine compared to the west. Even if we move into Wednesday, we will be dealing with some snow showers, more so in the northeastern portion of the state, as we will be seeing an upper level low start to swing in here on Wednesday and Thursday. So here's those snow showers Wednesday morning, but as we move into Thursday, things will really start to overspread the Commonwealth here. This is late in the evening on Wednesday, but as that starts to slide through, maybe even some snow showers here in the northeastern portion of the state. As we move towards the weekend, though, we'll be watching this system right here. It could be sliding into our region and bringing in some snow, mostly north of I-80, but do not count out some of those higher elevations in the Laurel Highlands getting some snow as well. And maybe even some cooler conditions right after this storm system as well. We do have a low pressure developing off to our south for this weekend that could keep things a little bit on the cooler side in the Commonwealth as this starts to slide off to our east. So we can see that starting to slide off to the east here, and even another system starting to gear up for the northern plains. That could be a major snowmaker there. So for today, we're going to be dealing with those snow showers for much of the day, partly cloudy conditions for much of the Commonwealth as well. High of 39 here in State College. Those winds will be consistently at 10 to 15 miles an hour out of the west, with those gusts up to 25 miles an hour at times. And as we move into the overnight hours, still going to be dealing with those partly cloudy conditions. Do not rule out a snow shower or two. 28 degrees is your low with those winds at 10 miles an hour. And as we move into tomorrow, wash, rinse, repeat. Mostly cloudy yet again. 41 degrees, just a tad warmer than today. Could still see those snow showers in the area. Winds still west at 10 to 15 miles an hour, gusting up to 20 miles an hour at times. And as we look at the 7-day outlook here, most of the work week is going to be at or below normal for our temperatures. Usually around this time of the year, our average is around 45. So Wednesday and Friday could be right around average. Thursday, Tuesday, and today are going to be a little bit below average. But as we move into the weekend, we could be seeing that warm up just a tad above average. Our low temperatures here are going to be a bit chilly to start the week, hovering in the 20s and low 30s. But as we move throughout the week, we will be seeing them slightly warm, maybe even into the mid-30s there, Friday night into Saturday morning. So a return back to winter a bit here in the Commonwealth. That snow making a return for the first time since the middle of February. And it is not really looking like what we saw last week with 70s in the forecast from last week. We're seeing more of what we should be seeing for this time of the year, around average with maybe a little bit of snow in the area. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Filippo Formica. Have an amazing day.